welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's top headlines. 1 year provisional recognition to all PG medical qualifications. NMC directs all state medical councils to register. After granting provisional recognition to PG medical qualifications for 1 year, the National Medical Commission has now directed all the state medical councils across the country to register all the PG medical courses which are shown as permitted on the NMC website and PG students have passed during the academic year 2020 and 21. ACS inaugurates online registration portal for JK Medical Council. Additional Chief Secretary, Health and Medical Education Department, Vivek Bhardwaj, today inaugurated online registration portal of JK Medical Council, a body for registration of doctors. This is a major initiative launched by the HNME department under the guidance of Additional Chief Secretary after taking over the charge of the department. Eminent oncologist Padma Shri awardee Dr. M. Krishnan Nair dies at 81. Eminent oncologist and Padma Shri awardee Dr. M. Krishnan Nair, the founding director of the famed Regional Cancer Center, died because of age-related ailments on Thursday. Dr. Nair was known for his various path-breaking initiatives in the field of the cancer treatment, especially in the areas of community and pediatric oncology and palliative care, and his efforts to make the expensive treatment affordable to poor people. He played a key role in the opening of the pediatric wing at RCC in 1980s, also led the setting up of a community and preventive oncology department. They're aiming to create awareness about the disease. He also served as member of the expert advisory panel of the World Health Organization regarding cancer and the National Cancer Control Plan. People from various walks of life condoled the death of Nair, who was instrumental in making cancer treatment affordable to the unprivileged sections in the society through the state-run RCC. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, in his condolence message, said Dr. Nair was an eminent doctor who had given humane face to the area of cancer research, and his demise was a great loss to the health sector of the state. No NEET PG counselling till EWS verdict. Aspirants of NEET PG will have to wait, as the centre has informed Supreme Court that no counselling will be held till there is decision on the EWS matter. The central government to the top court has given the assurance on Monday, as the matter of OBC and the Supreme Court is still considering EWS quota in the PG All India quota seats. Delhi NCR witnessed spike in dengue cases, hospitals face shortage of beds. The spike in the dengue cases in Delhi NCR has now become a major concern for the health authorities, as many government and private hospitals are facing a shortage of beds. According to media reports, many dengue patients have failed to get a bed in Delhi's Safdarjung Hospital, and those who have are forced to share with other patients. That's all for today. Thank you.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.